Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing unboxing and review of the mannequin. So this was sent to me by Behind Beauty to do a review on it. So I decided to do this review today. So I'm just unboxing the mannequin for you guys to see. This is the mannequin. It's very strong, guys, and it's very strong. It's also affordable. If you are a wig lover and you know how to make wig, this is going to be very helpful for you to use. And it also came with some free gift, like pieces that you use to stand the mannequin, and some many other gifts that it came with. So it came with this wig cap that you can use for crochet wig. Yes, this for crochet wig, and so many other things. So you can use this to make your crochet wig. So when you buy this mannequin, you already have a crochet wig that you can use to crochet your hair. And this is for wig, like normal weave-on wig cap. You can use this one for your normal weave-on wig cap. That is two. And also came with hair clip, in case you are making your wig, you should use it to clip your hair, the hair in place. And also came with thread that you use to sew your hair. And this is the pieces that you can also use to put the mannequin to stand. Came with three different type of pieces. So now I'm just going to open the mannequin to see how it really look like. So guys, this is very big, and it's really strong, and it's very soft to touch. I really love this, and it's also affordable. I'm going to leave the Amazon store in the description box below. In case you are interested, you can go and check them out. So just the mannequin is just like this, and this is the pieces that you need to put together to stand, to put your mannequin on. So I'm also going to show you guys how you can put everything together. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. My new and old subscribers, you guys are welcome back to my channel. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell beside it, so that you will not miss out of any of my new video. So the size of the mannequin is 22 size. So this is the pieces that you need to put together so that you can stand your mannequin. This is for table. You just fix it on your table, then you start putting your wig together. So the clip, the thread, and the wig cap. This is the crochet net and the weave-on net that you need to use to start up your wig. So it also came with T-pin and two curved needle that you can use to sew your wig, and the T-pin you can use to hold your weave-on cap in place, so that it will not make it more difficult for you to sew your wig. So when you use that to put it in place, it's going to stay in place. So this is just the free gift that come with it. So that means the basic things that you will need to start your wig came with the mannequin. So, and it's also affordable, guys. So really affordable. The T-pin is 10 pieces. Yeah, 10 pieces, and you just need it to pull to secure your wig cap so that it will not be moving anywhere up and down. Yes, so that's just the taping. That is the curved needle. The curved needle is 2, so 2 curved needle. In case you may place one, you still have one left. If you replace the 2, you go back on needle for yourself. So you have to keep it well so that you don't misplace it. So now this is all the free gift that came with the mannequin hair. This is the wig cap. Everything came with it. The basic things that you need to start your wig came with the mannequin hair. So the day you bought it, the day you buy it, you can start making your wig. So just going to show you guys how you can put these pieces together to stand your mannequin hair. You need to put it in your table. In your table. So just watch and see it for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you want to check that out, the link is going to be at the description box below, so you can go and check them out if you are a wig lover. So just go and check them out. So first take the first pieces and just attach it to your table. Then you take the second pieces and put it inside that hole. Then the next thing, you just take the other pieces and use it to tie that one down so that it will not move. Just use it to tie it down. Tie it to your choice. If you want it to be very tight, to your choice. So the next now is for you to put your there is hole under the mannequin, so just put your mannequin in the stick and you are good to go. You are going to start making your wig. Guys, this is really affordable. It's affordable on Amazon. I'm going to leave the Amazon store link in the description box below. Just go right there if you are interested. How you just face your cap in the mannequin. So the next, just take the T-pin and use it to secure the net to the mannequin so that you will not find it difficult when you are sewing your wig to not pull out. Just use the T-pin to just secure it the way you want it to be. Then you start making your wig. So guys, this is the end of this video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.